Keeping your home free of pests, such as ants, is an important step in taking care of your home and your own health. Ants can carry a variety of diseases, contaminate food sources, and cause structural damage. Number 1. Keep a clean kitchen. One of the best natural ways to keep ants away from your home is to keep a clean kitchen. Also, keep food in airtight containers and dispose of any food waste immediately. Number 2. Store food in sealed containers. One of the best natural ways to keep ants away from your home is to ensure that you already stored all food in sealed containers. Ants are particularly attracted to sweet and sugary items, so it is important to make sure that you also properly seal any food that could attract them. Number 3. Seal up cracks and crevices. One of the most important tips to safely keep ants away from your home is to seal up any cracks and crevices where they can enter. Make sure that your doors and windows close properly and replace any worn-out weather stripping. Number 4. Use ant traps or bait. Ant traps and bait are specially designed to draw the ants away from the food and other items in your home. Once the ants take the bait, they will be unable to return to your home, thus effectively eliminating the ant infestation. Number 5. Set boundaries with non-toxic barriers. Start by looking for places where ants might be entering your home, such as cracks in walls or window frames. Once you've located the entry points, seal them off with your chosen barrier. Be sure to reapply the barrier after any rain or other weather activity to keep it effective. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.